Oh my God, I had to step away from our sales meeting to gather myself, or lose myself, depending on how you look at it. You are all amazing. When I can stop tearing up, I would love to gain my composure together to write something for you all. I am forever in debt and so thankful to be a part of an amazing organization. Thank you so much. I won't let you down. You just changed my life.
I'm doing great. Counseling has been going so well. We're meeting every other week now, and I believe after another session or two, she will be discharging me. It has been extremely helpful, and I'm in a much better place mentally and emotionally. My finances are in a much better place too. I've actually met with one of our LOs at Movement and will likely be able to buy a home in the next couple of months after I hit some goals with my credit. I'm really excited for everything I have in store. Thank you again for helping me get back on track.
I know that God has heard my cry, and as the scripture says, He will never leave us and He will never forsake us. And this has increased my faith to know that yes, He sees me and His word is true. Thank you so much.
Things are so awesome, and that could not have been without your help and the grace of God. We are now 100% caught up on all bills. Fridge and cabinets are full, and now I'm working on staying ahead and started to save for winter bills. Such a relief. I'm no longer crying myself to sleep.
I truly appreciate Movement Mortgage and can't begin to explain how much of a catalyst this has been for a happier life for me and my kids. Thank you so much for all your help. This has really saved us. The foundation, Love Works, were a huge draw to me when I was recruited because it shows me that we care. I never thought I would need it, but I'm so thankful to have it. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Each one of these quotes, they represent a person. They represent a brother, a sister, a family member, a Movement teammate, that our donations, our faithful donations into LoveWorks, we've changed lives here.
We've all been there. I know I have, and it's tough to know that we as a community come alongside and love one another and help us through. So that's huge. That's huge.
It is truly amazing to be part of an organization that has such a passion for allowing us to be a part of something so much bigger than ourselves.